The pen. Yeah, so the compound C7H8 undergoes the following reaction. C7H8 on addition of 3Cl2 and heat gives A, which on addition of Pr2 or Fe gives B, and which on addition of ZnHCl gives C. The product C is to be determined. So the options are M bromotoluene, second is P bromotoluene, third is 3-bromo-2,4,6 trichlorotoluene, and fourth is O-bromotoluene. Let's see which of these compounds we can obtain on addition of all these compounds into certain unknown compounds, and whether these unknown compounds can be obtained from C7H8 or not. So let's have a look at the reaction. The answer is M-bromotoluene, and let's look at the reactions and how as to answer we get. Our standard approach would be correct. Assume each option as correct and see whether that can be obtained or not. So C7H8 on addition of 3Cl2 gives CCl3. So this would be our compound A, which on addition of Br2 and Fe gives CCl3 and Br here. Then on addition of ZnHCl it gives CH3, C, this is C compound, and CH3 and Br here, which is our answer. So the correct option is 1.